Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to Yoga with Christina, ChriskaYoga. Today is the fourth video in my Yoga for Your Chakras series. We'll be talking about the heart chakra, which is located in your heart center. So I hope you enjoy this one.
To learn more in depth about each chakra, where they're located, and the things that it governs within your body, you can check out my new book that is coming out on February 11th, 2020. It's called Essential Chakra Yoga. It is all about how to balance, heal, and energize the body and mind through the chakras and through yoga specifically designed for each chakra. It includes sequences and poses that are designed to balance and heal your body, and it's a great demystifying guide to the chakras and how to use them to your benefit. So I hope you check it out. The link to pre-order is in the description box below this video.
Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming yoga classes. So if you're ready, grab your yoga mat and let's get started.
Come to Tadasana, mountain pose, the top of your yoga mat, bringing your feet either together or hips distance apart for a bit more stability. Bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. Close your eyes. Come inward for a moment, breathing deeply. On an exhale, release your hands. Clasp your hands together at the small of your back behind you. Straighten your arms, and on an inhale, look up, coming to an arch. Reaching your hands down towards your heels, reach your heart center upward. Bend your knees, come to a forward fold, keeping your hands clasped together. Allow your head to hang over in a forward fold. Bring your hands down. Bring your hands to your hips and slowly come up to standing with a straight spine. Reach your arms up on an inhale, and on an exhale, forward fold. Inhale, hands to your shins, look up halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way up to standing. Exhale, bring your hands down. Reach your arms up on an inhale, and on an exhale, forward fold. Inhale, hands to your shins, look up halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come all the way up to standing. Exhale, bring your hands down. Inhale, raise your arms up on an inhale, and on an exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway look up, and exhale, plant your palms flat onto the floor. Step back 1 foot at a time, coming onto your belly. We'll take a Sphinx pose here, coming up onto your forearms. Keep the tops of your feet on the floor behind you and look forward, lifting your head and your chest up. Hold your Sphinx pose, reaching your chest forward between your hands. And slowly make your way up back onto your hands. Coming onto your knees, we'll take a melting heart stretch. Reach your arms out, bring your forehead to the floor, stay up on your knees, and reach your heart center down. Opening your chest, open your armpits, and reach your heart center towards the floor. Slowly come up, come to a seated position, and make your way into a child's pose by touching your big toes together behind you, sitting your hips onto your heels. Relax your torso over your thighs, bring your forehead to the ground, reach your arms out in front of you. Slowly make your way up and come to lying on your back. We'll take a Shavasana. Separate your legs apart, relax them completely. Turn your palms up towards the ceiling. Close your eyes, come inward and deepen your breath. Breathing in and out through your nose. Hold here. Bring some slow and gentle motion back into your body, gently moving your limbs. And when you're ready, roll to the right side and rest there with your arm under your head for support. Use your hands to help you press yourself up to a seated cross-legged position, crossing your shins. Flex your feet, bring your hands to your legs, and sit up tall. Take a deep breath in and out through your nose. And bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. Bow your head to your fingertips. Namaste.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this class. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Give me any questions you might have. I always love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new yoga videos coming up. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at ChriskaYoga and my website ChriskaYoga.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.